Well, I think the objection, there were several objections. Primary objection was that there was no right to counsel, advisements, no rights warning. He wasn't given an opportunity to talk to counsel. I think there were also maybe not coercion issues of how the statements were taken, under what circumstances they were taken, and those were litigated in pretrial motions. And the judge entered the ruling, and so we're at trial. I don't know. It's never too late to want to do better. We've got a ready, willing, and able federal system. We've got a ready, willing, and able UCMJ. I'm hoping the clouds will part and someone will decide that enough is enough, and we have a better system to try these cases in, and one that has precedent and one that has credibility.
That I guess a lot of people are saying can really be used for the state.
My concern is history is going to look back on this period and say, okay, I wonder why they did it that way. Why did we do it that way? And we're seeking the answer to those questions just like anybody else.
The ideal from a prosecution standpoint is to present the evidence in its most direct, unedited form. So what you saw there was Mr. Hamdan's own words closest in time to his capture. And it ran for a long period of time because it was important to show that this wasn't subject to government editing or manipulation. This is not just what he said, but also how he was treated. And then that'll be evaluated by the jury, of course.
Well, the tape is a capture. It's a capture interrogation video. Mr. Hamdan is hooded initially. He is chained. He is kneeling on the ground. The interrogator is standing above him. There is no counsel. There is no warning that he has a right to remain silent. There's no sense that he could be incriminating himself. So ordinary safeguards for a person who's under interrogation are completely absent. And I can understand full well why the defense would raise an objection, as they did last week, to these videotapes based on the notion that they would be coercive.